This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group. Earnings, guidance, technicals, fundamentals, nothing matters right now to the market as it's trading solely on the fear and the unknown of the coronavirus. Markets slammed again today, just like they were yesterday. Question being, how bad will the global slowdown really be? And is this going to hit the U.S. mainland? Quite frankly, as we've seen it spread across Europe, almost every day it seems like a new country is reporting cases here. Flight to safety, the 10-year yield record low down below 132. The S&P down over 3%, NASDAQ 3%. Last time, in fact, the S&P was down 3% on back-to-back days, right at the heart of the financial crisis back in November of 2008. Dow and the S&P now down more than 7% off of their highs. S&P option data from yesterday, obviously a very, very busy day. 1.7 million contracts trade, 70% on the put side. Volume leaders, though, the two biggest volume leaders were actually call options. March 3360 calls, 52,000 of those traded. March 3400 calls, 38,000 of those traded. March 3200 puts, 25,000, and the end of month February 3050, the 3050 puts traded 19,000 contracts. Volatility obviously is as high as we've seen it recently, and that is certainly being reflected in the expected move, what the options are pricing out in the ES. So to Friday, a $90 move being expected between now and Friday, and to next Friday, $140. I don't remember the last time we've seen this kind of volatility. On another note, yesterday was the single largest or single busiest day for NASDAQ E-mini futures here at the CME, almost 1.2 million contracts traded. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.